Established in the year 1978, Nandu Chemicals began with a dream of healthcare without contamination. Today, with over 45 years of unwavering dedication in the pharmaceutical industry, Nandu stands tall as a beacon of excellence. Nandu is a symbol of innovation and quality, specializing in active pharmaceutical ingredients. Nandu has built its reputation in the national and international markets and achieved global recognition with technical excellence.
I started Nandu Chemicals in the year 1978 after completing my MSc in chemistry. I was very keen to start an industry so that I could stand on my own feet. After a long struggle and efforts, I could realize this dream and we started manufacturing free-flowing table salt. But unfortunately, Government of India banned export of salt in any form, including free-flowing table salt. This was a huge challenge on me as to what next. I thought of sodium chloride for IV fluids, electrolytes, vaccines, dialysis solutions, and various other pharmaceutical applications. In a short time, we became product leaders in the country. This encouraged me to start many more products which are used for the similar applications. Today, we have a global presence and Nandu is a sought-after brand worldwide.
Nandu has presence in over 20 countries, including Malaysia, South Korea, Turkey, Oman, South Africa, and many more. Our customer base includes reputed pharmaceutical giants such as Pfizer, Fresenius Kabi, B. Braun, Serum Institute of India, Otsuka, Adcock Ingram, Sandoz, Dr. Reddy's, and many more. We take pride in satisfying customers globally and contributing to a healthier world.
Nandu focuses on customers' specific in-house requirements, and we strive to achieve and exceed their expectations. Our products are very specialized and they are used in critical, life-saving pharmaceutical formulation. Our manufacturing and testing facilities are compliant with local and international regulations, and this necessitates maintenance and sustenance of extremely high levels of quality and purity in all aspects. With the continuous expansion in our product range and to meet growing demands, we have built and commissioned a world-class laboratory which includes a dedicated microbiology section. Our motto is to deliver topmost quality products on time and at a competitive price by focusing on the end-to-end supply chain.
Our flagship plant is one of the most sophisticated and advanced manufacturing plants in India. The manufacturing facilities at Nandu adhere to local and international guidelines and have been approved by the respective regulatory authorities. Our meticulously designed supply chain includes both secure inventory management and seamless distribution. This ensures optimal storage of our finished products and timely delivery to every destination. We boast of certifications like ISO 9001, ISO 45001, FSSC 22000, FSSAI, CDS-CO, and Department of Drugs Control, Government of Karnataka. Nandu takes pride in its commitment to quality, innovation, and reliability, owning the credits to our unparalleled manpower, state-of-the-art facilities, and technology on par with international standards. Nandu, welcome to a legacy of excellence that extends beyond borders. Nandu, committed to quality.